Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and in this short video I'm going to show you how to finish your hats with glitter foam. We have about 20 colors, so there's a lot of colors to choose from. So glitter foam is a different material. You can't use hot air to glue the glitter foam together, but on the regular foam we can use the heat gun and glue it on the regular foam. This is the same technique as with the regular foam, so you need to blow the air in between so that both pieces are heated. In this case we're going to heat a little bit longer, and afterwards you can push a little bit so it sticks better. The glitter foam is very easy to cut with a knife or with scissors, so you can go into great detail and then apply them on your hat. Check our other videos for different finishing materials, and thanks for watching.